everyone. Today we are going to see the first impression of the Duochrome Shadow Sense collection. We already saw the Lip Sense collection that came with that. Here we have 5 different Shadow Sense colors. Here I'm going to try something different than usual. When a new collection comes up, I always make what's it like an eye look based on that, but today I'm thinking like I wanted to showcase them individually, so that's what I'm going to try. Let me see how it comes. So here we have 5 different shades. The first one is chameleon shimmer, then phoenix shimmer, mermaid shimmer, celestial shimmer, and aurora shimmer. So the beauty of these Shadow Sense colors is they are going to look 2 different shades based on how the lights hits them up. Here I have the swatch. If you can see, do you see, this is the best I can capture. If you see the green, it shows us green when I show it like this, but when I twist, do you see it turns like a brown? So each color is going to look 2 different way. That's why it's called duochrome. So, and they are so beautiful by itself, so that's why I wanted to show them individually. So let's start one by one. Being a collection, it's always the same. You can buy them individually or buy as a collection. When you buy all together, then you get the bag that comes with it. So the first one is chameleon shimmer. So it is green on one side and rosy mauve on the other side. So let me apply it and show you. So as I said, I'm going to apply it as an all over lid color and show you each one of them. Okay, here is the first one, the chameleon shimmer. You can see it's such a pretty metallic shade, and even as a single color you can see it's really pretty, and it's good for even people who want very subtle colors. I am always into these kind of greens because if you have seen me, I wear all the forest mist shimmer, smoke topaz shimmer, smoke topaz, mystic moss. All these will look very nice with the brown eyes, so that way this color will be really subtle even for people who are very new to Shadow Sense. This will not be too bold. At the same time, it will give that nice what's it like a metallic tint to it, and you can, do you see it turns into a different shade on the sides. It's one single color, but here you can clearly see it shows up as green on here, but whereas it shows as a mauve color on the side. So that's what we are talking about. Since I am hooded, you can't see it, but when it hits on the straight light, you can see it's turning into a pink, it's a rosy mauve. So let's go ahead and do the second one. So the next one we are going to do is celestial shimmer. I have cleaned all the previous one, the chameleon shimmer, so this is the one I'm going to go. So let's see how it looks on me. So here each color looks completely different. What is it like when I look down to recording, so I can see already how these will look in a, what is it like, in an eye look when you do, because it will have like multiple dimensions to it. So this is celestial shimmer, which is like a smoky blue violet to again a pink mauve here. So you can see it is it has a very slight blue tint to it, but I know in this angle it is not picking up. Here you can see, so this is, do you see, this is the pink mauve, whereas if you see here it's blue violet. So here I have the swatch for that, and I really like how they apply. When compared to chameleon shimmer, this is little thinner consistency, so I have layered it quite so that it can show up. But if you want it to be lighter, you can do very thin coats too. So that's the second color. Let's move on to the next. So the next one we are going to do is mermaid shimmer. You can see it's a very pretty shade. Again, this one is going to turn from blue to lavender. So if you have already tried the lavender shimmer, then you will really like this, because lavender shimmer is used to be such a pretty shade, and it's a sold out shade. So this way you get to try that again. So you can see this is the mermaid shimmer here. So you can see when you see this side it shows blue, whereas when you tilt you can see it's a little bit violet tint to it. So let's go ahead and apply it. Okay, here is mermaid shimmer. Here how it reflects is, if you can see, wherever I have blended it shows as blue, whereas the straight one I could see it's more of purple, the lavender shimmer I was talking about. So when you finish it with the eyeliner and all, this will look really good. I wear a lot of blues because I have many sarees or outfits in blue, and also Senagen's events I always wear blue. So this will be one of a nice color for that. And for you also, if you are stepping out of your comfort zone and trying blue or lavender for the first time, these kind of colors will really help, because here what is it, like this gives the two dimension to the look. So it's not like a too bold blue, so like lapis glitter or sapphire shimmer, where they are very what is it, like vibrant, whereas this is more of a subtle look. And that too, if you pair it with a very nice outfit, this will look really amazing. And if you have kids, I know girls are always into mermaids and all, so this will be perfect for them to even wear it. And I really love this shade actually. It the more you look at it, the more it looks so much pretty. So obviously I love this collection. And next to is, obviously it's going to look even more prettier, because the Aurora shimmer was like a universal shade that anyone can wear. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's see how it looks. So the next one is Aurora shimmer, which is like a bright purple to pink. People who loved plasma pink shimmer, which is again a sold out shade, I always get tons of compliments when I wear plasma pink shimmer. So in that case, this is a right choice for you to grab. So here it is, Aurora shimmer. You can see if you are transitioning from one shade to two, second shade, or adding more than that, we always talk about adding a crease color, that is like giving a what's it, like a crease color, which is like a border, we can say. For example, mine is a hooded eye, so what I do is I take my crease color a little bit higher. So that's what it is going to do. Can you see here this color itself acts as a crease color. You can see this is pink on the outer corner, whereas it's more of what is it, like a bright purple in the inner in my lids. So that way, even though it's a single shade, the way the light hits, it's going to do two shades. That's why it's duochrome. And this is I am sure this will be a very popular shade and getting sold out individually so soon. So if you are looking for it, please do grab before it sells out. And let's do the last one. So here it is, Aurora shimmer. So we finished Aurora, Celestial, Mermaid and Chameleon. So the last one is Phoenix shimmer. So let me finish that and show you. So the last color in the series is Phoenix shimmer. It's going to be pinkish red on one end, whereas in copper bronze on the other end. So let's finish with the last color. So here is the last color of the series, the Phoenix shimmer. It's so funny because when I look down to see the tube, it's actually in the copper bronzy shade, but it's showing the red in the camera. And also see, even here, if I look down, this color looks the coppery bronze shade, like how the copper rose shimmer is. But when I look when I was trying to show you guys, it looks only red. So this is what is like out of all, I felt like the Chameleon shimmer and the Phoenix shimmer, you can really see the difference of the dual chrome compared to other three, because that's why I started with a very light one. For example, Chameleon shimmers, Celestial shimmer and all are barely there colors. Like barely there means they will still show up, but if you can see, they blend so well with our skin tone, whereas these two and all will show up really well. So that's why I gradually took you from each shade. And if you have seen my 31-day looks, most of my looks were around red. So this will be really one that you can pair with all the what is it, like any ethnic wears, because they will give that festive look, and it will look really nice paired with brown or paired with gold or even black. So the last one is Phoenix Shimmer, and here we have all 5 shades, and here is the swatch of the color. So it starts with Chameleon Shimmer, Phoenix Shimmer, Mermaid Shimmer, Celestial Shimmer, and Aurora Shimmer. So when I got them, I was like, how do I'm going to remember these, because they all look like a tongue twister, but once you wear them, I think it's more relatable, and I could remember based on the color it comes out. And hope you like the collection, and as I said, you can grab them individually or as a set. And when you buy as a set, you get this dual chrome bag too. And I will also make an eye look using all these shades, how much ever I can together. So have a wonderful day, guys.